Hui Chunguang, 65-year-old visually impaired man. Blindness doesn't prevent him from stepping out of his house, thanks to the technological advancements. Information accessibility allows the blind use smartphones and computers freely. Like Hui Chunguang, many visually impaired people in Gansu province enjoy their reading in Gansu Provincial Library. In this library, the reading room for the blind has over 5,300 volumes of Braille books, over 6,700 audiobooks.
这个读书是我们和外界接触长知识的一个最好平台。书是宝库呀，看书是很好的事情。
对我们盲人来说，可以获得知识，可以和外界沟通。这里面不光是图书，还有有声读物。
China continues steady development of Braille materials. China Braille Prize has published about 2,000 varieties of Braille books. To visually impaired people like Hui Chunguang, books light up their lives.